Let's look at a real-world rehabilitation case. DN1200 pipeline in Hubei, total 173.4 meters per sections. Upon inspection, cracks, leakage and offset joints. Longitudinal and circumferential penetrating cracks, fragment spalling, leaking offset joints and calcareous deposits. Wide, long-run cracks and dense seepage demand high liner conformity and cured structural strength. UV-CIPP rehabilitation is applied. X120 UV curing vehicle on site. Insert ZY86 liner. Cure with LED units for in situ forming. Post-rehab acceptance. Cracks fully covered, all leaks sealed, offset joints integrally sealed. Total rehab length 173, 4M 4 sections. 0 excavation, 0 site disturbance. Feel free to comment for similar project discussions.